Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our new Mercedes GL350 on a 65 plate. I'll just take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside and I'll show you all of the features along the way that I can remember. And there's a lot of them. So starting with the front left, down the door arches, down the wheel arches, out to the front left quarter, your LED daytime running lights and your front parking sensors. You see on the front there, just below the Mercedes badge, there's also a front facing camera. This car's got a 350 degree facing camera and I'll show that to you when we go inside. You've got the lovely chrome on the bottom. That's in the front right. Then you've got your second front facing running light and parking sensors around there as well. Lovely big wheels, 21 inch, good tread on the tyres, a few small marks. Down the right hand side, pretty fantastic condition. Rear wheels, a few small marks, but out to the back right, and you've got the chrome along the back, and then your rear parking sensors. Inside you've got these steps, and you've got the rear tinted windows, some on the back as well. Out to the back, you've got electric opening boot. And you've got your 7 seats inside there as well. I'll show you that a bit better shortly. Back left. Good tread on the tyres again. Got your second step there. That pretty much sums up the outside. It's lovely white. You've got the intelligent light Mercedes light system. Right, so this is where the main brunt of the features is. Got memory seats, front, right and front left. Electric mirrors and electric windows, and the mirrors fold as well. You've got your tailgate opening, and you've also got this button to make the rear windows open, like that. Lovely black leather seats with white stitching, and you've got the lumbar support as well along the seats. Take the inside properly now. Electric adjusted steering wheel. Move that back a bit so I can see a bit better. Same for this chair. Automatic lights, automatic gearbox. Here's your steering wheel controls to control your trip computer. Lovely, so that's where we are at the moment. So you control your radio, like I said, your trip computer, your sat nav, your telephone. You do all of that through there. And you've got this large coloured screen, it's controlled through this interface here. You've got your radio, which all works well. You've also got your navigation, which also works well. Telephone, DVD player, your 360 camera, which works really well. Originally made for Rolls-Royce, I believe. So got various different settings there, text reader speed, Bluetooth settings, all fairly standard stuff. So down here you've got your heated seats, and you've also got your cooled seats. I don't know what happens when you put both of them on at the same time. Probably not very much. You've got that for the front right and the front left. Down here you've got your dual zone climate control. So that works pretty well. So one person's hot and the other person's cold. That's not a problem in this car. You've got some little storage unit there, larger storage unit here. You've got your cup holders, and you've also got here. You've got there can be cooled or heated. So I don't know if you can see very well, but they're currently cooled and cooled. Now they're currently being heated. So if you've got a hot drink, keep it hot for a little bit longer. If you've got a cold drink, keeps it cold for a bit colder as well. I don't know how well that works, but I've not used it personally. But it's nice to have. You can definitely feel the cold air coming out there. And here you've got another little storage unit with some USB ports and a media in slot. Got your air suspension and some, looks like off-road modes there. And then you've got your sports suspension and your comfort suspension. So I don't know whether you could hear that, but you can feel the suspension change there. 12-volt port, that pretty much sums that up. Obviously you've got your Bluetooth telephone and your Bluetooth audio as well. Take you into the back now and show you the rear of the car. So in the back again you've got these lovely leather seats, fold down cup holders and armrest, some vents in the back of the car, the 12-volt port and some storage. No doubt be filled with the kids' sweet wrappers and things like that. This button on the top, press that. Just because the engine's on. I'll show you that again with the engine off. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. Put that back. When the engine's off, the seat folds forwards. Sorry, the driver's seat moves forwards to get out of its way. Like so. As you can see, that's moved forwards, and then it completely collapses up like that. And then with this, push this button, and the front does the same. The rear ones do the same. Folds out into a flat. Just show you the same on the other side. It's really important if you don't come to do this one to make sure that this works on both sides, because it's quite expensive to fix if it were to go wrong. As it happens, this works really well. This one, it's first time every time. I find it quite fascinating, so I've tested it quite a lot. And then same with this. And these ones electrically fold up as well. These ones you do have to do manually, but fold up, so if you want to have loads of boot space, you can then have just a normal 5 seats. And then you've got really quite a large boot. So just to show, these can then be put up like this. So you don't have to take these 3 front seats, well, these 3 middle seats out to put these back ones down, just like that. 12-volt port in the back, some little coat hooks here. Let's see what's under here, and then you've got your spare tyre. I've almost definitely forgotten some stuff because it's a very feature-packed car. But if you would like to come and have a look, if there's anything you think I might have forgotten, please feel free to give me a call on 07917 033 781 and ask for Sam. And one of us, well, myself, Sam or Richard will give you a hand if I'm not available. The car comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year's AA breakdown cover, 1 year's MOT. And if you want to find more information about the car or the company, please feel free to visit our website, paylessforcar.com. Hope to see you soon. Take care.